There might be tensions that we're not even aware of. I think I've let go of everything, and then like there's another layer there. How do you approach someone who might have a range of hidden tensions?
I think that we are like centralized around the hips and also around the shoulders. So I think about it in the joints. I look at the hips and I think, let's open up the hips, and the fascia coming out from the pelvis will follow. In my fascial stretch therapy practice, which is largely what my foam rolling offerings are based off of, we work from the hips out and then we work from the shoulders out. See a lot about the fascia and how it's moving when you are able to take the major joints of the body into all of their ranges of motion. And if there's a restricted range of motion that they really should be experiencing but they're not, there are all the soft tissues that follow that and all the soft tissues that can be released in order to make that movement easier.